Good morning, everyone. I hope you've had a productive start to your day.
Good morning. Yes, I've already started working on my tasks.
Did you check your emails before diving into work?
Absolutely. I responded to all the important messages.
Great. Could you confirm if you received the updated document I sent?
Yes, I received it, and I'll review it shortly.
Perfect. I would like to discuss the project progress whenever you're available.
Sure, I'll be available after lunch for our discussion.
That sounds good. Can you explain the task once again so I can grasp it better?
Of course. I'll break it down step by step.
Thanks. Please make sure to complete this task before the end of the day.
No problem. I'll ensure it's done by the deadline.
Let me know if you face any difficulties while working on this task.
Yes, I'll reach out if I need any help.
Could you please send me the final report once you complete it?
Definitely. I'll send it right over.
Let's discuss this matter in detail after the meeting.
That's a good idea. Let's review the agenda before we begin.
Please ensure all details are accurate and properly verified.
Absolutely. I'll verify everything carefully.
Let's try to complete this work as early as possible.
Sure, I'll keep you updated regularly.
I think we should focus more on the important tasks first.
Agreed. Let's finalize everything before the deadline.
Please double-check everything before submitting the work.
Of course. I'll help you complete the task quickly.
Let's make sure we avoid mistakes in the final submission.
Yes. I'll coordinate with the team before making any changes.
Let's ensure that everyone is aligned with the plan.
I will share my ideas during the meeting.
We need to improve our communication within the team.
That's a good point. Let's divide the work.
Can you provide a quick update on the task?
Sure, I'll give you a quick update.
Please inform me if there are any issues.
Yes. I'll let you know if anything comes up.
Let's follow up on this tomorrow.
Sounds like a plan.
Just checking in. Everything going as planned?
Yes, everything's on track.
Please draft an email to the client regarding the update.
Sure, I'll draft it right away and attach all necessary documents.
Great. Please review the report before sending it out.
Absolutely. I'll share my feedback soon.
Let's identify any issues quickly to resolve them.
Yes, understanding the problem is key.
Can you check if this issue has occurred earlier?
I'll look into past records.
Let's make sure to communicate our ideas clearly.
Definitely. It's important to listen carefully before responding.
Let's avoid misunderstandings by confirming important details.
Agreed. Maintaining a polite tone is key.
We need to manage our time properly to complete all tasks on schedule.
Yes. We should prioritize tasks based on urgency.
It's better to start early instead of delaying tasks.
Absolutely. Let's review our time usage regularly.
If you need support, please reach out.
Sure. Teamwork will make the work easier.
Let's maintain proper coordination to avoid confusion.
Yes, we need to identify issues quickly.
Let's understand the problem before taking action.
I'll keep you updated until everything is resolved.
We should always look for opportunities to improve our skills.
Yes, I'll learn the new process and share my understanding.
Let's take feedback positively and use it to improve.
Absolutely. Staying updated is essential.
Let's review today's priorities before we begin.
Sure. And we'll adjust priorities if needed.
Please save your work regularly to avoid losing any data.
Yes, keeping things organized will help us work efficiently.
Let's ensure everything meets the required standards before submitting.
I'll double-check all details to avoid last-minute errors.
Please confirm once the work has been submitted successfully.
I will fix any issues immediately.
Let's ensure the final output is clear and professional.
Yes, one more review will help improve quality.
Let's confirm everything with the team before closing this task.
Absolutely. Once approved, we can move on.
Great work today. Let's continue with the same effort tomorrow.
Thank you. Looking forward to it.